Home interior design. Creating your perfect space. Home interior design is an art that blends creativity, functionality, and personal style to transform living spaces into beautiful and practical environments. Whether you're renovating a single room or your entire home, effective interior design can enhance your quality of life and make your home more enjoyable. Here's an overview of key concepts and strategies in home interior design to help you create a space that's both stylish and functional. Understanding your space. 1. Evaluate your needs. Consider the primary function of each room. For example, a living room may serve as a place for family gatherings, entertainment, or relaxation. Identify who will be using the space and how often. 2. Assess the layout. Take note of the room's dimensions, natural light sources, and existing architectural features. Create a floor plan to visualize the placement of furniture and other elements. Defining your style. 1. Discover your aesthetic. Reflect on what styles resonate with you. Do you prefer modern, minimalist, traditional, or eclectic designs? Gather inspiration from magazines, online platforms like Pinterest, and interior design blogs. 2. Create a mood board. Compile images, colors, textures, and materials that you love. This will serve as a visual guide throughout your design process. Choosing colors and materials. 1. Color scheme. Select a primary color for your space and complement it with secondary and accent colors. Consider the psychology of colors. For example, blue can evoke calmness, while yellow can create a sense of warmth and energy. 2. Materials and textures. Mix different materials such as wood, metal, glass, and textiles to add depth and interest. Ensure that the materials you choose are appropriate for the room's function and your lifestyle. Furniture and layout. 1. Scale and proportion. Choose furniture that fits the scale of the room. Oversized pieces can overwhelm a small space, while too small furniture can make a large room feel empty. Balance is key. Distribute furniture and decor evenly to avoid cluttered or lopsided arrangements. 2. Functional layout. Arrange furniture to promote ease of movement and conversation. In a living room, for example, seating should be grouped to encourage interaction. Consider multifunctional furniture, such as ottomans with storage or sofa beds, to maximize space. Lighting. 1. Layered lighting. Use a combination of ambient, task, and accent lighting to create a versatile and inviting atmosphere. Install dimmer switches to adjust lighting levels according to the time of day and mood. 2. Natural light. Make the most of natural light by using sheer curtains or blinds that can be easily adjusted. Place mirrors strategically to reflect light and make the space feel larger and brighter. Personal touches. 1. Artwork and decor. Personalize your space with artwork, photographs, and decorative items that reflect your taste and personality. Be mindful of scale and placement to ensure that decor items enhance rather than clutter your space. 2. Greenery. Incorporate plants to add a touch of nature, improve air quality, and bring life to your interiors. Choose plants that suit your environment and maintenance capabilities. Sustainability. 1. Eco-friendly choices. Opt for sustainable materials such as bamboo, reclaimed wood, and recycled metals. Use energy-efficient lighting and appliances to reduce your carbon footprint. 2. Quality over quantity. Invest in high-quality furniture and decor that will last, rather than frequently replacing cheaper items. Choose timeless pieces that you can adapt to different styles over time. Conclusion. Home interior design is a personal journey that allows you to express your creativity while making practical choices for your living environment. By understanding your space, defining your style, and thoughtfully selecting colors, materials, furniture, and decor, you can create a home that's both beautiful and functional. Remember, the most important aspect of interior design is that it reflects your unique personality and meets your needs, making your home a true sanctuary.